Hello friends, welcome to my session. My name is Padmanabhan. In this session, we will discuss about first person, second person and third person. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. These are the subject pronouns or personal pronouns, right? First person, second person and third person. These are applicable for subject pronouns or personal pronouns, right? Now, look at one sentence. I talk to you. When I talk to you, I am the first person, you are the second person in singular form. So, I in the first person, you in the second person, right? When I talk to you about someone or something, then that someone or something will come under third person. Right? So, someone or something like he, she, it. These are in third person, singular forms. Instead of I, when we talk to you about some others or some things, some others, they, then we is in first person, you in second and they in third, right? So, I, we, first person, you, second person, he, she, it, they. These are in third person, right? Here, singular is you in second person, plural is also you in second person, right? Do remember that. Now the verbs used with I, you, we, they, he, she, it, right? In present, with I, we use am. In past, it is was. Future, will or shall. Will or shall. With we, they, you. Present, we use are. Past, were. In future, it is will or shall. Right? Now, he, she, it. Third person, singular. He is, she is, it is. In present form, is we use. In past form, was. He was, she was, it was. And of course in future, will or shall. Right? We'll have to remember singular in second person is you and plural also is you. You'll have to remember that. Now we will move on. Now we will see the usage of has or have with first, second and third person, right? With I, you, we, they, we use have in present form. With he, she, it, we use has in present form. With all these I, you, we, they, he, she, it, we use had in past form. And with all these I, you, we, they, he, she, it, we use will or shall plus have in future form. Will or shall plus have. Friends, I'm sure you are clear now. If you have any doubt or query, as I said earlier, do let me know. Use the comments column. I will definitely meet you in my next session. Have a nice learning. Bye bye. See you.